Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the balancing of redox reactions in the basic medium. As we have already discussed the balancing of redox reaction in the acidic medium, but only the few steps, that is the last two steps is only different. So let us do this with an example. That is a problem number 8.9 from a text. It problem says the permanganate ion react with bromide ion in basic medium to give manganese dioxide and bromate ion. Write the balanced ionic equation for this reaction. So here instead of giving the equation, here it is given in wordings. So first we have to write the skeletal equation. So for that we need the formula for permanganate ion. That is permanganate ion. We write MnO4 negative for permanganate ion. React with bromide ion. That means plus bromide ion. The formula for bromide ion is Br negative, and that is in the basic medium. So here the medium is representing here. So we have to balance this equation, that is in the basic medium, to give manganese dioxide. To give means, that means equal to, that is it is giving rise to manganese dioxide, that is formula is MnO2, and bromate ion, the formula is BrO3 negative. So this is what called as skeletal equation. So when the wordings are given, so we will be writing in this equation form, that is in the skeletal equation form. Now we have to balance this equation. In the exams, either this equation is directly given to you and it is asked to balance this, but sometimes it is given in this form, that is in the wordings form, and then we have to balance it. So first, now let us balance this equation. So we'll be writing this one, and we need to write the oxidation state of each as it is written here. So the first step, after writing the skeletal equation, we need to write the oxidation state for each. That is oxidation state for Mn in MnO4 negative is +7. Here it is bromide ion, that is Br negative. That means its charge is nothing but its oxidation number. Therefore we are writing here -1. In MnO2, the oxidation state of Mn is +4, that we have written here. And in BrO3 negative, the oxidation state of Br is +5. So we are writing the oxidation state for each here. But for the oxygen in each case, the oxidation state is not changing. Here it is -2. Here it is also -2. Here also -2. Therefore, we are not representing the oxidation state for oxygen because it is not changing from reactant to the product side. Once you have identified the oxidation state for each, now you have to see from left to right what is actually the changes taking place in the oxidation number. When you look at here, manganese, that is on the left hand side and right hand side, you can see that is from here to here. What is actually happening here? The oxidation number is decreasing by 3 per atom, because here +7 to +4. That means the value is decreasing. How much is decreasing? By 3 per atom. And here the atom is 1 atom. So no problem. If it is 2 atom, you have to multiply with 2. Here because it is single atom, so keep it as it is. Next, when you look at for Br, that is from here to here. That is from left hand side to right hand side. What is the change in the oxidation number? That is from -1 to +5. So value is increasing because -1, now it is changed to +5. It is increasing. But how much is the increase? It is increased by 6 per atom. So here also single atoms are there. Therefore no problem. Otherwise you have to multiply with the number of atoms. Now here there is 3 decrease. It is decreased by 3 per atom, and here it is increased by 6 per atom. Now we have to equalize this increase and decrease by multiplying with a suitable number. For this, here it is 3 and here it is 6. How we can equalize this number? That is, if 3 it is multiplied with 2, we'll get 6, and better this we can multiply with 1, so we'll get 6. So we can equalize the decrease and increased by multiplying with a suitable number. Like with 3 we have to multiply with 2, so this number we have to multiply it, so in order to get 6, and for here we have to multiply with 1. So here it is increased by 6, therefore that should be multiplied with 1, and for 3 we have to multiply with 2, so that the increase and decrease will be get equal. Now you can say these numbers are equal, that is decrease is 6 because 3 into 2 is 6 and increase is also 6. That is also a common step which is we have already done in the acidic medium also. Now write down the equation once again, and what you have multiplied for equalizing, that number should be taken in the stoichiometric coefficient. So here you are multiplying with 2 here for equalizing, and that is multiplied with this. So you have to write 2 as a stoichiometric coefficient with mn. So we are writing 2 here. And for this case, because here for BR here we are multiplying with 1, so that 1 should be taken the stoichiometric coefficient, but 1 it is not needed to represent, so keep as it is. So here 2MnO4 negative plus Br negative. The next step is balance all the terms except oxygen and hydrogen. So here manganese on the left hand side 2 numbers are there, but here only single number are there. So what we need to do, we have to keep twice here. Now Mn is balanced. What about Br here? There is single number on the left hand side, single number on the right hand side. So it is already balanced, so no need to keep a stoichiometric coefficient here. Now in this equation, except oxygen, all other terms are balanced now. Now what we need to do here, we have to balance the oxygen first. First we have to balance the oxygen. For this case we need to find out the number of oxygen on both the side, that is on the left hand side and right hand side. Now calculate it here. What is there in the formula? 2 twice of MnO4 negative. So 2 into 4, that is 8. So 8 oxygen are here. On the right hand side, because here 2 is there and here also 2, O2. So 2 into 2, that is 4, and here 3 oxygen are there, therefore 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. So here 8 number of oxygen are there on the left hand side and 7 number of oxygen are there on the right hand side. So which one is the deficient side here? Deficient side, this is the deficient side because here is only 7 and here it is 8. So we have identified the deficient side, that is the right hand side is the deficient side. So where is the deficiency and how much is the deficiency? A single deficiency is there, because when you compare 8 and 7, how much is the difference between them? That is 1. So this is the deficient area and it is a deficiency of 1 here. So in the basic medium, where is the deficiency of oxygen and how much number of deficiency is there, that much number of oxygen OH negative should be added. That is, here we have to add 1 OH negative. Why we have added here? Because the medium is given basic, therefore we have to add OH negative, that is on the deficient side, and how much number of deficiency is there, that much number of OH negative should be added. So only one deficiency of oxygen is there, therefore we are adding 1 OH negative, but 1 it is not needed to represent. So here we have balanced the oxygen, but now we have to balance hydrogen. So for balancing of hydrogen, just find out how many number of hydrogen are there on the left hand side and right hand side. Here there is no hydrogen. You can check there is no hydrogen this side, but on the right hand side there is single hydrogen. So which is the deficient side here? That you can find it out. The deficient side here is the deficiency, that is 0, because 0 is less than 1. How much is the deficiency? That is a deficiency of 1, because when you difference between O and difference between 0 and 1 is 1. So left hand side is the deficient side, and how much is the deficiency? A single deficiency is there. So in the basic medium, how much is the deficiency of hydrogen? That much number of H2O is added on the deficient side, and equal number of OH negative should be added on the opposite side. So here for balancing of hydrogen, we have added H2O on the deficient side. This is the deficient side, and the same number of OH on the opposite side, because you are adding H2O, that is on the right hand side, on the left hand side, in the left hand side you are adding H2O. So what is the opposite side of this one? That is the right hand side. So there you need to add the same number of OH negative. So this is the rule in the basic medium. For balancing of hydrogen, add H2O on the deficient side, that is here is the deficiency. Equal number of OH negative should be added on the opposite side. So here on the right hand side there are 2 OH negative, so that together can be written as twice OH negative. So this is what the balanced equation for this reaction. So in this way we'll be doing the balancing of redox reaction, that is in the basic medium. So in the basic medium we'll be getting OH negative, but in the acidic medium there will be H plus in the equation. So better try some other examples also. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.